everyone! Welcome back to yet again another Python tutorial video. In this video, you're going to be learning about how to use Booleans and operators. Now, these may sound like some things that are different from what we've learned before in the past videos, which you can check out if you haven't watched them yet. This is still in somewhat of numbers and text printing. So yeah, anyways, we're going to get started. Alright, so we're going to start with learning about Booleans. Now, Booleans are pretty much just like that one block from scratch with the if-else block. So we're going to first make the values of a and b, which are going to be our variables. So a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 75. Now, to put this block, it's not exactly block. We have to type this manually, like we've been doing pretty much, except this is very similar. So we're going to start with if. And we're going to say if 100 or a is greater than b. So we're going to put that in. If a is greater than b, then something will happen, and which will be something that's going to be printed on the black screen on the right. So we're going to print that a is greater than b, because obviously that's true, but we're just going to make it so that it will test that. So now we're going to put else, and then now we're going to print a is not greater than b or b is greater than a, because that's just the alternate just in case if the first option is not going to work or if the first option is not true. So this is technically like a true or false statement that the computer is trying to answer. Now, we think that this is going to work, but there is something missing here. Now we're just going to test this out to see if it works. And obviously something will be missing. Yep, there is something missing. You guessed it, there is an error. So because of this error, we're going to need to fix it. But the error is that we need to put a space after print in order to make sure that, so as you can see, it says that that is the error. And that means that we need to make a space before print, and that way it will space itself out. And now when we press it, when we play the thing, it says a is greater than b. So that means that our code works. Okay, so we're going to start with operators now. So basically operators are like, obviously math, plus, minus, multiplying, and dividing. So for Python, for now, we're just going to be using addition. So we're going to say sum1. But to type sum1, if you leave a space, as you can see, there's a space here. If you leave a space, it will come as two different things, since sum and 1 are coming in two different colors. So you have to make no space and make it all together. Now this will be equal to, let's say, 50 plus 30. Now let's just add a space here. So 50 plus 30. And now we're going to do sum 2, which is equal to sum, let's say sum 1, we can say that too. Sum 1 plus 70. And yeah, sum 1 plus 70. Let's add that in. Okay, now we're going to do sum 3. So let's say sum 3 is equal to sum 1 plus sum 2. Now, let's see if this works. Sum 2. And that should be both in sum 3. So this will not affect it, but unfortunately, there is an error as soon as this loads. And you can try to identify what error this is before it loads. So as you can see, there is nothing on the screen. So that means that there is an error and we haven't. Okay, you guessed it, hopefully. We needed to use print. Now we're going to print all of these sums so that all of the sums appear on the screen. And now nothing will happen because it's not a string exactly, but now it's going to appear on the screen. As you can see, 80, 150, and 230 are the sums. In conclusion, we have learned about, in this video, operators and Booleans. So, now that we know a bit more about math, we're anyways going to be using math and typing in Python, like printing, and mostly printing so far in the beginning. But as we progress through, we'll be able to make things like games and stuff like that. And let's say in games we need to use text. Well, these videos with text, aka print, are helpful. So they're going to be helpful for the future. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye!